सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे थोड़े वार्म अप से। सो उसके लिए इस स्थिति में आप खड़े हो जाएं जहां आपके दोनों पैर हिप्स विड्थ अपार्ट हैं और दोनों पैर एक दूसरे से समानांतर स्थिति में हैं। यहाँ आप धीरे धीरे अपने कमर को पीछे ले जाते हुए आगे की तरफ झुक जाएं। धीरे धीरे श्वास लें और धीरे धीरे श्वास छोड़ें। एक और लंबी श्वास लें और धीमी गति से श्वास छोड़ें। अब श्वास लेते हुए अपना चेस्ट ऊपर उठाएं, अपने रीढ़ की हड्डी को सीधे करते हुए ताकि आपकी रीढ़ की हड्डी इस तरह सीधी हो सके। और अपने हाथों को कमर पे रखते हुए श्वास लेते हुए सीधे खड़े हो जाएं। This was a good warm up. Now we'll start Surya Namaskar. So stand in a neutral position where your feet are together, toes are together, heels are together. Your shoulders are pulled backward, but in a relaxed position. Contract all your lower body muscles. Contract your leg muscles, your hips, your thighs. Place your feet properly on the floor and feel that you are pulling your legs away from the floor. Your hips inward, tuck your hips in so that your spine can be in a neutral position. Shoulders back and pressed down. Maintain this position for 3. Drishti on the tip of your nose. Maintain this position for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now we will start Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A, which could be a little different if you are a Hatha or Iyengar practitioner. So I'm going to demonstrate that. You can practice this right now with me. Inhale, raise your arms up, look between your thumbs. Make sure that you are not leaning backward, but you are just lengthening your spine. You are pulling your spine towards ceiling. Raising your arms should be straight and joining the outer palm together. And exhale, fold forward, take your head to knee. Inhale, lift your chest high. Exhale, step back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, shut, Adho Mukha. Push your hips up, crush your heels down on the floor. Make sure that your shoulders are away from each other and away from your ears. Take nice and long 5 breaths here. 1, 2, let your head relax in this position. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, look up, step forward, lift your chest high. exhale, Ashtau, head in, inhale, Nava, arms up, look between your thumbs, exhale, Samasthiti, inhale, Ekam, arms up, look between your thumbs, exhale, Dve, fold forward, head in, Trini, inhale, lift your chest high, Chatwari, exhale, step back, in Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Pancha, Adho Mukha, shut, crush your heels, shoulders protracted, tailbone out, head relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up, step forward, lift your chest high, exhale, head in, inhale, Nava, arms up, look between your thumbs, exhale, Samasthiti. I'll just go by count and breath now. Inhale, Ekam, exhale, Dve, Trini, inhale, Chatwari, step back, exhale, inhale, Pancha, exhale, shut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Sapta, inhale, Ashtau, exhale, inhale, Nava, exhale, Samasthiti, inhale, Ekam, exhale, Dve, Trini, inhale, Chatwari, exhale, inhale, Pancha, exhale, shut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Sapta, inhale, Ashtau, exhale, inhale, Nava, arms up, exhale, Samasthiti, inhale, Ekam, exhale, Dve, Trini, inhale, Chatwari, exhale, inhale, Pancha, exhale, shut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Sapta, inhale, lift your chest, Ashtau, exhale, head in, inhale, Nava, arms up, exhale, Samasthiti, inhale, Ekam, exhale, Dve, Trini, inhale, Chatwari, exhale, inhale, Pancha, exhale, shut, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, सप्त, अष्टौ, inhale नवा, exhale समस्थितिः, inhale एकम, exhale द्वे, त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, inhale, पंच, exhale, षट्, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, सप्त, inhale, अष्टौ, exhale, inhale, नव, exhale, समस्थितिः, inhale, एकम, exhale, द्वे, त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, inhale, पंच, exhale, षट्, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, सप्त, inhale, अष्टौ, exhale, inhale, नव, exhale, समस्थितिः. Last two सूर्य नमस्कार. Inhale, एकम, exhale, द्वे, त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, inhale, पंच, exhale, षट्, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, सप्त, inhale, अष्टौ, exhale, inhale, नव, exhale, समस्थितिः. Last one. Inhale, एकम, exhale, द्वे, त्रीणि inhale, चत्वारि exhale, inhale, पंच, exhale, षट्, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, सप्त, inhale, अष्टौ, exhale, inhale, नव, exhale, समस्थितिः.